Welcome guys. In today's video I want to show you how to trade news on EURUSD. So take a look at this chart, see the support area, and here is the resistance area. So you can see we have a break of structure right here. The market form a fake trend break and retest back into the trend. So at this point I'm looking to short EURUSD. So guys, I'm measuring how many pips I'm to catch and measuring where to take my TP. Yes, yeah, I marked my take profit at this spot. This was how I short EURUSD. So right now, alright, let's wait for the news. News released. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, so guys, this is how to trade news.